Hey guys, I'm back. Welcome, hey guys, it's Dance Reggie 1, 2, 3, and I'm back again. And let's continue where we left off here, which we left off on this part. This is the same as that loading checkpoint, so let's continue. In retrospect, I didn't get something out of going to area today. I wouldn't have met Carrie otherwise. That one reason. No, you guys read. I'll read my parts. You guys read this. I'm going straight pretty good, Indian. Alright, swing open the door to my room, creaks as I enter. My eyes shift towards my desk. I reach up to my phone, clutching the phone in my hand. I read out the last number that called in. Keys. Here's the appear on my phone, on the screen. It didn't take long to pick her up, so I wonder if she was waiting for me.
Hello?
Yep. Hey, Carrie. Where were you? Where were we?
We weren't really talking about anything.
Oh. That's right, we weren't really talking about anything. And I hear you before. How about we talk for a bit then?
About what?
For here he stuttered, flares up again. It's not cute, but I wasn't really tell her that. What am I saying? How about hobbies?
Hobbies?
Yeah, okay. You know what? I like reading my parts. It's a rather neat game. It's actually a rather neat game. Also, the developer of the game, you did a good job. You get a good job on D Sands. I think it's DS Sands. You get a good job on the game. I like you to do is to, by any chance, send me like a email or to my Gmail. What kind of more games you will make eventually? I appreciate that.
I like the harp.
Did I hear that before? Hold on, let's try it. No, fine. The harp? You mean the instrument?
Yes, I can play it.
So you can play the harp. That reminds me. Is what the school logo been?
The harp is a classical Celtic instrument.
Oh, now I remember that one. Oh no, this is the part I hopped off on. Well, Wales is a. Alright.
What about yours?
My what?
Your hobbies.
Oh. She wanted my hobbies? Well, there's nothing. No. What the? What the? At the worst timing. Really, Steam? I'm not ending that out. No editing on the channel. My motto. As I was saying, there's nothing notable.
Oh, would you like to borrow one of my books?
Okay. Sure. You can let me one you like.
Okay. Will you meet me at lunch so I can give it to you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you. I promise you'll enjoy reading it.
I'm looking forward to it. Well, I say that, but that's how the game is.
Sorry. My father's calling me for dinner.
Don't worry, I left dinner earlier. So you go and have yours. I'll see you at school tomorrow.
Okay. I'll see you then. Goodbye.
Bye. Okay, you guys read all this. I went into reading part, but sometimes I don't like reading these things. It take too long with the dialogue. You guys may pause the video if you feel like reading it. Also, there might be thing I'm gonna do if it's actually kind of weird out actually. All I want to do is cover the screen, boom, so one note. Game?
Here you go.
Oh,
I promised to give it to you.
never mind. Huh. Oh, I just wanted you to know, like, well, I'm gonna make this one really rather fast.
Sure. I'd love to.
For yes, that part was rather weird. To be honest, that was rather weird part. I kind of skipped it, but sorry. Okay. Shooters as we both head for the corridor. Oh, nope. I know what. I might have some of the part that. Pick the first option. I'm going to pick the choices. Perhaps this school has become quite familiar. Okay.
Good morning.
Oh, okay. So the character doesn't say the name. That makes sense. Oh, green ropes. Curl up slowly into a new smile. Okay, that makes sense. So it's legit. Yeah, they rather just smile. Actually, I have another save file, but it's actually a further progress I never reached for. So it was rather. It's actually a neat progress of the game. Good morning, Kiri. Now at once, I'm over it. As the light turned green, we both walked harmlessly across. It's not really a surprise to meet Carrie here. I'm pretty sure she did share part of the walk stroll with me. This is reference my error after all. That makes sense. So how are you today, Carrie?
I'm good. Thank you. What about you?
You as well. If you're on your mind.
Ah? I wanted to know. Can I walk to school with you more often?
Supreme. Shall we meet where we met today? Then the 7-3.
That's good with me.
Oh yeah, see you later, Gary. One break.
Sure.
Okay. Now we got more of the character. Huh, neat.
Lunch it is.
Hurt my neck. It's pulling, I guess. It's right hurt my dang on neck. Gameplay. Oh, yes. Continue on. It's very good game. It was better. Stop ringing. Stop ringing. What was that? That was class.
Hello.
Okay, shall we get to the cafeteria though?
Can we stop by the library first? I need to return a bill.
Supreme. Yeah, sure. Speaking of books. I started reading the book, Amy. I've really been liking it so far.
That's good. Would you like to go to the library with me?
So anxious. Even more than normal. I thought we were already going to the library.
Not this one. The one in the city.
Oh, well this is one actually the new progress I actually got here. Actually, I'm on the error save file and I continue off by myself. After I get to the ending and I don't spoil it, I'm gonna go off to the channel. Let's go to the city with me? Sure. Sure.
Thank you.
It's very interesting gameplay. Something through my door. Something through the door of my house. I sense more enthusiasm. It was good, I guess. You could say I have a nice day. I was nothing, I'm just going somewhere with a friend on the weekend. Why you with that? You know what? I'm gonna say as a guy, I'll say straight out as a good ending. I want it to be a good ending. I'm not getting no bad endings with this nonsense. So we have a man left out that thing. So let's go up with it. It's a girl. Okay. You know what? I'm reading the final parts. The battle parts, I'm fine reading it. A girl, well, congratulations, my boy. Here. I said it. I said it. There. They just... It's just a thing out. That's the same... Oh, that's the same offer as... Same as what? Okay. Oh, dang it. Never mind.